Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Gilded Vault. We are at 39 out of 180. And let's see what's next. Last time we left off with Pyroborn mixed with which one was it? Pyroborn mixed with Awoken, and it worked really well. We had the double Phoenix with the Hall of Mirrors. Phoenix scaled the entire game. That was awesome. So let's move on to LunaCoven. And let's go. I mean, we have won almost none of them. So this is a great opportunity for us to just do a random. With ApexDuhn. ApexDuhn, he's a funky man, you know? He's hard to kind of figure out what works well with him. But let's do this, alright? As long as we haven't already won before. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? The likelihood... You're kidding me. This is like the only thing that I've... Okay, well, we're gonna reset. I don't love doing it. Here we go. This is much better. Okay, so we got ApexDuhn, we got Phase Blessing, Vent, Astrologer, with the Malika's Pyre. Okay, so we got good scaling with the Moon, the Astrologer, with our Moon Rituals. And we got Phase Blessing. So, actually, we're in a really, really, really good position. But here's the question. I think this is an answer that is just too simple. Oh, man. But this is hard. I think we actually go for the Battleborn. You know, just in case, I feel like the Incand is good here. But the Slays getting Conduit 1 is going to give us both Sustain with Phase Blessing, as well as damage with Torches and Vents. It's just too hard to pass up. I don't think we have any Consume. I think this one's just the easiest to go with. Now, the only problem is they are wet noodles. You know, they are super low health. Not good, not good. Alright, but this will be fine. So, we should... Here's what I'm thinking. As we go ApexDuhn up here, Shield Steward and Astrologer right here, and we just keep it going, you know? We just keep it going. Yeah, basically we're just going to try and scale ApexDuhn as much as possible. And once again, I do play with a greedy mindset. He bit me pretty hard. That's okay. It's okay. We'll still make it through this. 1, 2. We'll go here and go like that. Gets 81. That's pretty good. Alright, let's see how far we can get. We gotta kill that backline though. And luckily we are in a position to kill it. Let's get rid of that. So 1, 2. We're getting slaves. We're getting slaves. So, I don't know if somehow I don't think we're going to be able to get trample. 8. Dang it! Ah, oh, man, I shouldn't have tried that. I was trying to do that quick math. But that's okay. I think. Ooh. Celestial Storm. That's pretty cool. I actually kind of like the Bloody Moon. The Bloody Moon's pretty good. Ooh. Oh, man. The Ritual. We're taking the Ritual. The Ritual with -2 Consume is just free damage, you know? Okay, now do we look for... I think we look for a tank. No. Is there anything that I want to hold over or anything? I mean, Fate's Blessing would be a great holdover. I think let's just stick left, try to go along with... Oh, okay. Shade Guard multi-strike. That's huge. With Titanite? Where's the Dominion? Entropy. That's fine, and I think we just hold for now. I think that's a good bot. You know what? Actually, let's just beef one of these stewards up. That will come and help us throughout the long run. I know it's sacrificing like 50 gold, but in the long run, it's gonna mean a lot. And we'll prove it right here. We're gonna go 1, 2. We got our bank now. Nice Shade Guard. Okay, so we're gonna start with a 1. Get rid of that, and let's just buff him. Hit him with that. Alright, let's see here. You're gonna hit that. Oh, shoot! We're gonna reset because I wasn't thinking. Alrighty. Man. Just not ahead of my game right now. Okay, we're gonna do this. Do that collector. Alright, just gotta keep the head in the game. There we go. Gonna just keep on rocking through it. One, 2. That'll perfectly slay right there. 1, 2. And then 50. New Moon, right? On New Moon, yeah. Let's get rid of that guy. What does this do? On Moon Cycle? Yeah. It's pretty sustained. Now we gotta just end it. Ah, man, I can't figure that out. Okay, here we go. Holdover phase blessing makes those other phase blessings not as good, but saves us money in the long run. And a frozen vent I could see being really useful. Let's go left here. I think. Actually, a multi-strike on ApexDuhn would be legendary here. As much as I want these two. Ooh, I want that. But, I mean, it's going to be a while since for either of these, actually. You know what? Let's go right. We're trying to find that multi-strike for ApexDuhn. Spells -1. No, we don't want any of that. Skip. Moon Cycle? Staff? I mean, we could do that. That's fine. You know, it works. It's not perfect, but it works. Okay. We could get rid of 3 units. Or we could give ourselves 3 spells. You know what? When's the nearest dupe? This well right here. Another Merchant of Arms. Okay. We could dupe here. We could dupe there. Just get a bunch of moon rituals. Scaling the cycle staff. So that's going to be our damage. And then we just have to find a multi-strike. And then we should be... We should win the game. It should be good enough. Because we already got the... That sustain. here's our damage, our scaling damage, and we can always put that on the Shade Guard. So I think that's going to be the play. Weird play, but I kind of like it. You know what? We're going to put one ritual in there too, so that every time we dupe it, we get the ritual. That's cool, man. This is going to be a cool run. Man, I'm pretty stoked. Okay. He does damage. Okay, he's going to be 18s, which is not going to be fun. I want that astrologer, but it's just too risky with... Oh, there we go. Never mind. We are good. Okay, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and we are going to... Oh, man. That's my bad. 1, we're going to go 2. We're going to kill this guy. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to put him down. We are going to kill this guy and that guy. I'm going to sacrifice a little bit of damage here. Forgive my can. Nice. Okay, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna kill this guy. I do not like him. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go like that. He goes 50. 1, 2. And kills. I know it looks dire. Trust me, we are in a good position right now. Astrologer dies. Comes on up, and we are just... Ooh, you know what? We're gonna leave it as it. No, we're gonna do 1. The reason why is because we want a little bit more scaling on that staff. Boom! Because we got that slay, we got the staff's perma-scaling. Weird that there's a transcendent. Like, super funky. For the Coven Spike, maybe? No, I'm gonna go that left. Oh! Whoa! What's up with the multi-strikes? Multi-strikes, huh? I don't have any arm. Actually, nuts. I do have armor gain. Do I go for Apex Imp? He's gonna smack... You know what? I'm sorry, ApexDuhn. He's our tank now. Wow, that's incredible. And we're gonna go space because of it. Now we go right? Sure. Deployment on room. Yeah, that's fine. And then we can delete. And I know what you're thinking. Why don't we get the extra 5? It's 5 armor. We need more than that. And let's get rid of some of these torches. Let's get rid of another one. Because we need as much... H-Blade 4. Oh, and then we go Incant Armor 2. This is going to be a very interesting run. Oh my gosh, it got even more interesting. Dante, huh? Now, I know everybody loves Dante, and I do too, but I'm kind of more interested in what we've got going already. You know? Alright, here we go. Man, we're gonna have to make some sacrifices here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. Look at that scaling, man. Oh. Okay, I think we're gonna lose our guy. That's okay though. That's alright. 7-7. Yeah. Biggest fan of that, but it is what it is. Everybody goes down south. 1, go 2, go 3, 4, 5. He should take a hit from that bottom guy. 3s, huh? Yeah. That's perfect. It's even better than perfect. It's gonna be amazing in just a second. Okay, bummer that we didn't get the sleigh on our Dune, but it's alright. I don't hate the Cosmic Bolt here. I think that's a good... Oh, dude, March of the Shields, yeah! Or, wait, what was it? March of the Shields, is that right? Yeah, March of the Shields. Alright, so we go right here. And check and see if there's anything for us. Planetarium's okay. What is that, 15? That's fine. It's better than nothing right now. Our Dune. He's always going to be... I think... Actually, we go like that. And then we pick up this as a deployable as well. That's fine. Should have checked that first. That was a big mistake. Let's sell this. We already have enough permascaling. And let's get more... more gift boxes. We just keep on going. And this is really good for us, but... I mean, everybody loves this guy. As I do as well. He's very, very convenient. We go like this. That'll eventually go on him. But for now, we wait. Yeah, we got the -1 from the trial. So, that's why that is the case. We go right there. We get rid of that. 1, 2, 3. We take a little bit of damage here, it's fine. Go like this. Turn. Every turn. That's too good. It's too good. We can't get pass it down. Dang, dude. These hits hurt. Alright, well this is going well. Let's just not take damage here. Scale it one more time and then okay, every slay is a conduit 1. We're getting the kills, you know. The idea is we're just gonna keep on permascaling until we end up into ooh. This is a fine. Yeah, why not? I mean, summon 4. Is that even useful for us? It can be. It's not bad. It's a fine imp. Let's go right. Pick up some money. Do we pick up a multi-strike? Yes. We do pick up a multi-strike. And then... oh, almost rerolled. I tried to, but I messed up. And then we leave it there. We could pick up another one of him later, but what's most important here is just more of these small gift boxes. And you might be wondering why. And it's because each one of them gives us more scaling, as well as just overall more damage, more healing. It's just a good card. It's great. It works for us so well. Alright, so now we're going to be... ooh, Kale, man. Let's just go bot. That's fine. Okay, here we go. Boom. 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 Let's get rid of this guy. Go like that. Like that. Maybe I should have switched here. Alright, but we're doing good. Here we go. So this is the moment that imp became good. I was thinking about that, you know, in that moment. If it's going to be good, and it did. It did end up being good. Problem is my boy ApexDuhn over here isn't getting much scaling in. A little bit of healing right now. Okay, let's see. We're doing pretty good though. I mean, this feels strong. Like I'm not feeling weak in the slightest. And we just keep on pushing forward. Alright, here we go. Okay, first things first is we go like this. I think next what we do, push our Dune forward so he can get a kill. Because we don't know if he's going to get a kill here. Yeah, see, that was a good move, pushing him forward. It was an extra scaling. Oh, Alloy of the Ancients. No, you shouldn't have. Yes, please. And I mean, the next question is, do we go with another Apex Imp? And I think the answer is yes. It's just too strong. Okay. Which means that we have to dupe here. Which means I want to go to the Merchant of Magic here. That was a mistake picking that up. Both of these are good. Double stack. Double stack there is fine. -2 and consume. 10 magic power on this torch is fine. -2 and consume on a torch. And then upgrade. We can remove the tidal terrain. I think it's an okay move. And then this is great. That is really, 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 really strong. Grab this is fine. Maybe we put it on this. Let's do it on this. That's fine. +1. Before anything, I'm kind of rushing through it. Let me go more armor, because now it's the Apex Imp game. Ha! We would have had trample. That's so funny. Oh my lord. All right. How about fragile and multi-strike? It would be nice, but we can't pay for it because we need it to link up with our Pyre Chomper. But yeah, Umber Stone is amazing. And then plus, let's start with the plus, because my math is not a great thing often. Yeah, here we go. Good, good, good. Let's just -1 the March of the Shields. The problem is, because we had to take double 6, or didn't have to, but it upped our value exponentially. Because we did that, now we have to focus on making sure our deck is much more convenient for the rest of our... Okay, but we don't have them yet. Oh, you know what? This is something that I wanted to change, and that is that I wanted the Shade Guard in front from now on. Okay, right here, right here, right here, and then we'll scale him, put that on him, and we'll end our turn. And we could even put him in the back there. Oh, this is a big turn. Consume, and let's just do that. Oh, were we full health? That was useless. Whatever. Like that. There we go. 25. You know, lowering him a bit on health. Can we save him? 10, he takes 14. I think we just... Why? Simple. Because we don't want to take too much damage from these guys. And I fear we might. Shoot, dude. Well, he's still alive. We're gonna take a little bit of damage. Man. That's okay. Oh man, that's brutal. Well, we could vent, and that'll be fine. We could put him here. Actually, we're gonna put him in front. We're gonna try and get this train steward to live the shield steward to live as much as possible, so that we take as least amount of damage from those guys as possible. I know it still looks bad, but trust me, it'll be fine. There, that, this, moon ritual, moon ritual. That goes there. That, he takes one, and we are good. See, we'll still take damage. I'm not saying we won't take damage. We need to play this on 2, I think. Or actually, that saves him. And that's perfectly fine. I know that could have been a lot of scaling for our boy, but... Okay, we'll do 65 to that guy, but we're still going to get hit pretty hard. Does live. Okay, we're just gonna scale him new moon from now on. His damage tanks a little bit, but that's okay. Ouch, bro. Ouch. That's good though. We don't take that damage. Why do they take 3? Oh, because... Wait, no. Why do they... Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is a mistake. So what we got to do... Because we're taking way too much damage. And the way to counter that... We still go here. We bring this guy forward, and we take a lot less. There we go. And even the astrologer right now is still helping. I just want to point that out. It's pretty cool. Okay. Maybe it stop it, maybe. Man, we took way too much damage here. We have to take health. Unfortunately, we can't get another Apex Imp because we're not going to have enough health. Mage Blade. I mean, another Cosmic Bolt is fine. I'm just nervous now. We don't have any health. We have no health. We have to go right. There's nothing around it. We have to go right. Another holdover? Would there be anything we'd want to hold over? No. Another -2 on... Where's that other... Oh, it's that. Okay, that's that. Let's see what's in here. It's not that. That's not the problem. That's okay. That's fine. And consume. Another torch. Okay, we need to heal. I think this is fine. Frozen Cosmic Bolt, because you don't play it every turn, that's fine. Cheat. That's okay. Alright. This is it. Alright. This is so risky because... But we just gotta pray that we can, you know, we can deal. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can deal. Ardoon. That guy. This guy. Alright, and we're just gonna give him that, and I mean, this is fine, I guess. Extra 91. Honestly, the equalizing rings is so bad now. Remove consume there was a good idea. So we solved the problem a while ago. I was genuinely concerned we weren't going to be able to deal with it, but we go like this. He dies. That's good. Unless we let him live. Oh, that's a mistake. It's okay. We'll pick that up later. You know what? Every little bit of health matters here, because whatever... So we can still play this imp. He's gonna die to that first guy. But we need every little bit of this health. We're gonna go like that. This, that, boom, and boom. Look, that's good. Okay. Can't do anything about that, which sucks, but is what it is. Come on, there we go. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, well, we can kill that guy. That's just fine. Yeah, I need to get rid of those equalizing rings, because they are just not good anymore. They're actually causing me problems. They are much worse than I thought. Is that fine? I mean, he could come in front, that's fine. And then we can... I'm just, you know, I'm just nervous about small things. Planetarium. Put on another floor, but it doesn't really matter. It's gonna go Cosmic Bolt in a minute. We got Astrologer, which is good, but I'm gonna Torch, Phase Blessing, and I'm gonna Cosmic Bolt. Man, maybe I should have picked up the Bloodthirsty Blade, because we are getting so many kills on this this imp. Let's go like that. That's fine. And we'll kill that guy, which is fine. Let's go 1, let's go 2, let's go 3. I know they're all gonna take a lot of damage, but he's got so much armor. I'm not afraid of our sustain. Our sustain is fantastic. The problem that we're running into, which is really freaking scary right now, is Savagery and Dominion. That's the main scare factor right now. Shit. Okay, so I gotta do something about this one. Because this is problematic. He's got trample, right? Yeah, he's got trample. I think I need the imp to go second. Yeah, much better. Do. Nice. If I put trample on the imp, it would be a-okay, but I'm trying to scale the ApexDuhn a bit. I did my best there to get Shade Guard killed, but it just wasn't happening. Alright, okay, so once again, the only thing that I fear... I mean, maybe the solution is putting Shade Guard on another floor and just having him scale himself. It's not a bad plan. Let's just do that. I'm just nervous. I'm nervous about... I didn't think about that as an option as well. So he'll scale himself, and then we can go 1, 2, and Astrologer will be cleanup. Should ApexDuhn be cleanup? ApexDuhn can be cleanup. Oh shit. Hold on. Problem there is we need to drop Planetarium. And because the equalizing rings have been causing problems, we need to go like that. And now I know what you're thinking. Oh no. Imp's gonna be dead in 2 turns. But not when we rush it like this. Boom. He's out of that problem. And let's do whatever we can to stay alive. Now that also may be the case. We can't let him die either. Get rid of some problems. Okay. Doing good. Now I know what you're thinking. Why don't you just put this on the imp? He gains enough armor. Let's put it on him. Save him some life. And once we get where's the room, dude? We need the room. 3-3, let him die. He lives. 3-3, 20. What the heck? Okay. Weird math. Also, we just need trample on the imp. We'll be in a better position. Oh, man, we are taking the damage. We are tanking the damage right now. Okay, but that makes it better. We're just gonna do this. Get a little bit of health back. Don't die. Don't die mid. We are slowly going down. I don't know if we've got this. This is really bad. Oh man, okay. 3-3, save him some life. Oh god, okay. shoot. I didn't realize that was... Okay. Let's reset that. Because I didn't realize that was doing that to him. He's going to take those 2 hits. That's really important. And then we go 1, we go 2, we go 3. Give him some life back. Go like that. Yeah. 1, 2. Oh, gosh. Man, I don't know if we got this. It's getting close. We lost him. We're losing health. God, we're gonna go through another draw through in a minute. Okay, this saves. Oh shoot. You know what? It's okay. We just need to kill entropy. I think we actually got this. My lord. Wow. Just barely. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look, we would have lost. 1, 2, 3, killed. Wow. That was on the edge. Oh man. So, and by the way, that call to get the extra... Every call we made was necessary. So putting Shade Guard in the mid floor, the second floor, as well as... So getting Shade Guard on the mid floor and putting, grabbing that extra pyre health at the very end, because we were only at 20, you know, and even though we accounted for it with a bunch of healing, healing crystals, it still was so close, you know, and maybe there were some moments that maybe I should have thought about it more. Maybe we should have... Oh, we couldn't have held on to the Moonbeam. It was just a rough call, man. And our deck was huge. We didn't need equalizing rings. We should have gotten rid of that. That was not a... It was fine until we grabbed this Eclipse Chamber. Then it was just hurting us. These two things were countering each other. That was not good. Luna Cycle Staff in the early game gave us a bunch of damage. Love that. Planetarium was okay. Arduino did alright. You know, there was not much complaints. I do wish instead of gaining more Mage Blade, this path would just give more Conduit. I don't know why they chose against that, but it's quite strange from my perspective. I think it goes kind of against what his function is when he gains the Conduit Slays. I don't know. It's like him trying to be the main, but he's always slacking. Like you saw, he didn't have enough damage to really push through on that one. Apex Imp has never been bad. Always been a good card. And the moment I noticed we had 3 Phase Blessings, he was ours. As well as getting Arduino with the Incant Armor 3. But even with all that, he still died at the end. Or he was almost going to die. So, his scaling's pretty bad. We had a holdover Phase Blessing. Still, he wasn't able to outlive it, but it's also because we couldn't really deal with the back line too well. I mean, no matter what... Oh, and this was probably a bad call. The small gift boxes. I thought it'd be a fun idea, and it's why the Cycle Staff got huge on the permascaling, but it still was a huge risk. But yeah, that was this this play. You know, that was the game right here. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a good day.